All right, English practitioners, let's start with a simple English topic today, and it's called tea break or tea time. Favorite in India, and many of you can use these phrases in your day-to-day life. So, are you ready? Whatever I say, repeat after me. First one, would you like some tea? Repeat, would you like some tea? I'm not saying would you like, would you? Would you like some tea? Let's take a tea break. Let's take a tea break. I love the smell of freshly brewed tea. Oh, I love the smell. Try this. Oh, I love the smell of freshly brewed tea. How do you like your tea? Strong or light? Mhm. How do you like your tea? Strong or light? Light. Some people prefer it without milk. Some people prefer it without milk. Repeat after me. Let's sit down and talk over a cup of tea. Once again, repeat full thing at one time. Okay? Let's sit down and talk over a cup of tea. Let's sit down and talk over a cup of tea. That means we will discuss this with some chai. Okay. When I'm stressed, tea calls me. Repeat. When I'm stressed, tea calls me. You don't go for tea, tea calls you. Yeah. My mornings don't start without a cup of tea. Try again. My mornings don't start without a cup of tea. Sometimes I dip biscuits and rusks in tea. Repeat after me. Sometimes I dip biscuits and rusks in tea. You're doing well if you have come this far. Very nice. Let's do some more. Tea brings together. Sorry, tea brings people together. Tea brings people together. Easy phrase, right? Would you like to have green tea instead? Again, would you like? Would you like to have green tea instead? That's it. This is just a 2 minutes practice, and I'll come back with something more interesting which you can use in your day-to-day life. Remember, practice makes a man perfect. When you speak, even when you repeat, you are ready to speak the next time. So don't stop speaking. Just repeat and learn. Watch again if you like. See you in the next video.